So if you're watching this right now till February 14, this message might meant to find you. This is a love reading. Magiging masaya ka ba sa Valentine's Day? So let's see. Cancer. Okay, water signs. Kanina Pisces, ngayon Cancer. So mga Cancer signs. Okay, let's see. Magiging happy ka ba this year this February 14? Magiging happy ka ba in love this coming February 14? Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, okay? So, hindi lang to basta kay Cancer, Sun. Pwede to makarelate dito si Cancer Moon, Cancer Rising Ascendant, and Venus in Cancer. Especially si Cancer Moon. Oh, Cancer. Mako-confuse ka, Cancer, kasi hindi mo alam kung sino yung pipiliin mo. Sana all. Cancer, I can see kasi dito, hindi mo alam yung magiging decision mo. Dito, Cancer. I can see na mako-confuse ka sa person na to. Either, okay, let's see. Either hindi mo alam kung tatanggapin mo ba yung offer ng person na to, or hindi mo alam kung sino yung pipiliin mo, Cancer. Okay, Cancer, I think it's not about sino yung pipiliin mo. But I think it's about kung tatanggapin mo ba siya ulit sa buhay mo. Might be somebody will come back to offer you love this February 14. Might be may message Happy Valentine's Day. And ngayon naka-move on ka na from this person. Somebody will going to offer you a new beginning. We're going to open the key towards a new beginning again. So I think this person ghosted you, or before wala kayong formal na breakup ng person na to. So nagkaroon kayo talaga before ng dahan-dahan na pagwawasak nitong person na to. This either, okay, anybody. Pwede itong ex-husband mo, ex-boyfriend mo, just someone who ghosted you na nahulog ka. So this person is going to connect with you. This might be month of February to offer you love again, Cancer. Yet ikaw, Cancer, ang hindi mo alam na kung tatanggapin mo ba siya, kasi mako-confuse ka dito kung tatanggapin mo ba siya ulit or not anymore. So Cancer, I can see here na bakit ganon? Bakit ka nagdadalawang isip? Kasi itong person kasi na to, parang before naging unfair talaga siya sa'yo. I think meron talagang nag-away kayo nito ng sobra. Like parang napagod kayo siguro. In a way, nag-try ka na talaga mag-move forward, mag-heal from this pain. And this is your either this is your person, like married kayo nito, or nagkaroon kayo ng issue about marriage. Okay, nag-issue. So ngayon nagpaparamdam na naman siya. Nasaktan ka talaga ng sobra before, Cancer. So just takes what resonates, okay? So Cancer, I can see here that okay. Cancer, hindi mo na siya tatanggapin. No. Nakapag-decide ka na, Cancer, to walk away. Ayaw mo na nang magpapasa ng mabigat na problema ulit. Feeling ko, Cancer, dito is clear na kasi sa'yo ang lahat before pa lang. Nung time, kahit pa siguro wala kayong closure siguro nito or ginos ka ba nito, hindi na siya nagparamdam sa'yo. Gets mo, alam mo kung bakit, alam mo yung dahilan. Siguro, mga ilang, I don't know lang ha, I don't want to be in specific talaga sa months or year. Matagal-tagal na din, siguro nagkaroon na din sa'yo ng clarity kung bakit. Tapos nagparamdam siya sa'yo ulit. So, I think para sa'yo, doon na lang siya kung saan siya masaya. And clear na din kasi sa'yo. Happy ka na din siguro Cancer. Sino lang ngayong ngayong February 14, asa po na magpaparamdam lang talaga to siya sa'yo. Might be mag-greet siya sa'yo ng Happy Valentine's or magpaparamdam na baka merong, merong chance again, trying again, ganyan. So, pero I think you will going to decide not to anymore, Cancer. So, yun.